Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting the phone's visible facts so you can compare them. First, record the IMEI or serial, dial *#06# or open settings to have a definitive identifier. Next, inspect packaging and included accessories. Inconsistent seals or missing manuals often indicate prior use. Finally, verify the model number printed on the box matches the device's settings. Once done, you'll be ready to move into deeper software and warranty checks to confirm refurbishment status. Now you'll probe software and service records to see what's beneath the surface. Use settings to view install dates and recent resets. Unexpected earlier dates suggest prior ownership. Run built-in diagnostics or service menus to detect replaced components like batteries or screens, because parts swapped during refurb can show different serials. Then contact the manufacturer with the IMEI to query warranty and refurb status. Make sure to document any discrepancies as evidence for the final steps. To finish, reconcile every piece of information you collected: IMEI, model numbers, component ID, and the manufacturer's warranty response. If things don't match, ask the seller for proof of new condition or a certified refurb certificate, and request a return or refund if unsatisfied. If you hit technical issues, reset the device and reinstall the OS to rule out software artifacts, and then escalate to the manufacturer with your evidence. If problems persist, document everything and pursue buyer protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.